Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mozilla Firefox on your laptop. First, you will need to download the installer from the official Mozilla website. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. You can opt for a standard installation for a quick setup or choose a custom one if you prefer to specify installation details. After a few moments, Firefox will be ready to launch, opening up a world of browsing possibilities. Navigating Firefox is quite intuitive. You can type any website address or search query directly into the address bar at the top. To open a new page without closing your current one, just click the plus sign next to your existing tabs. Don't forget to bookmark pages you love for quick returns. The back and forward arrows help you move through your recent browsing, and your full history is always available in the main menu for easy recall. Making Firefox truly yours is simple with its robust customization options. You can change the entire look of your browser by selecting from hundreds of themes available in the add-on store. To add new features, explore and install extensions that cater to your specific needs. Take control of your online privacy by adjusting tracking protection settings. You can also personalize your toolbar by dragging and dropping icons, ensuring your most used tools are always within easy reach. Keeping your online activity secure and private is paramount with Firefox. Activate enhanced tracking protection to block many common trackers across the web. For sensitive browsing, use private browsing mode, which ensures no history or cookies are saved. Always keep your Firefox browser updated to benefit from the newest security patches and features. The built-in password manager helps you store your login credentials safely, and you can easily review and manage site permissions for added control over your digital footprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.